That's chocolate made. And we're gonna put it outside now. Bake it. Bit of bread and everything. Cheese. Let's go. Alright, we are outside now. It's winter. We're gonna try to catch a mouse, but it's gonna be pretty hard in the snow. Last time, just about caught one here. I'm gonna place it here. Flat ground. Put a bit of bread out. So I just bait it. You know, grab a couple of leaves, place it on top, make it feel like it's on them. So there it is. Tomorrow I'm gonna make a video of it and see if we caught anything. So yeah, hope you like it. Please.